Hello everybody. What we're going to do today is I want to go over some of the new functionality that's in the new release of Nucleo version 2022 that's coming out. We'll zoom in here and I want to show you that we have added some notching to the corners of some radii and also on some sharp corners a different method for clearing these out. In order to do that, we simply open up our Nucleo editor again, and those are now under the gripper point and offset options. So these would be down here at the bottom. We're looking to do a notch corners or interference points. That would be any sharp corners here. So we're looking for a notch size that we want to put in. And then if we'd like to use left or right logic, and what that does for us is if you look on this blade, you'll kind of notice that these are shifted a little bit more to the left and a little bit more to the right. So that's what this logic does. If we uncheck this, what that does is this would center this center of the square to where the corners would intersect here. So just an option for how you guys would like to do it, depending upon what you're trying to accomplish. Another one is the offset blend radii. That's what you're seeing here. So what we do is that we look at the accordial length of the radii that we get on the blade, and then if it is at least this value, then we can do an offset of the value that you put in here. So we can simply turn this on and off by checking the box. And then one other new and nice feature that we've added to the software is, let me turn off our fixture, we can now edit our blades by simply double clicking them. And by editing them, we can move this blade, we can extend this blade, we can shrink the blade, and we can split the line. So there's a few things that we can do here, along with we can toggle almost all of the settings that are in the Nucleo editor. So if you wanted to do custom tabs on these ones, and if you're not sure what the defaults were, these are what is currently set in your software, and then you can clear these out when you're done. So if this was 3 and 2, say if I wanted an even larger tab, if I went to 6 and 2, so we'll put a little 6-inch wide tab on there. We can do some other settings here as well. We can turn on some settings, we can change some settings if we need to. So once you have everything set that you like, we'll just apply those. We can clone settings to a different blade. So now maybe I want that blade to have the same settings. Or if I have a blade that's already set, I can clone from as well. And then we would just simply rebuild the fixture to see that. Another thing that we have updated as well is our fixture report page. We've entered in some more useful information and did make some changes. So when you do have a blade that is going to have different settings as another one, you will see all the settings that are going to be applied to that particular blade. We'll also call out some element elimination for small arcs and lines. And then ideally we do have the standard build time and items. But as you can see now, these two blades have a single 6-inch wide slot, whereas this one has three 3-inch wide slots. So just some new functionality that we're bringing to the software. If you guys have any questions, just reach out to support and they'll be able to show you how this new functionality works. Thanks again. I look forward to working with you.